guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Marie-Christine Picard. So today I wanted to share with you the nicest platform ever for your online business, and it's called Kartra. So you're going to be able to have a bunch of sales funnels that are already all made for you and for free. Isn't it nice? So I found that most of the time people are struggling with their sales funnel and you don't know where to start or how to put it all together and link it all together. So I'm going to show you today how it works with Kartra. So let me tell you a little bit about my story. So a couple of months ago, I jumped into my online business and I had a really nice mentor showing me the way. It's not a guru, it's a mentor. Let me tell you, because I'm not really into that kind of stuff, the guru things. And yeah, so he really showed me the right tools, and that's exactly what I was looking for, because there are so many tools out there and I just didn't know where to start. I used to have my own business. I was using different tools and it was not really working properly, so I was really looking for the nicest tool for me, and I really wanted to have something easy to use, the kind of drag and drop that you don't have to do some coding or stuff like that. So I was really looking for something easy to use, and when I have an inspiration, I need to be able to put that really quickly in place. So let me show you quickly what you're gonna get with Kartra. So when you're gonna go to your campaign, you're gonna be able to go to you're going to be able to have different campaigns that are going to be available for you. So depending on what you need, you're going to have, for example, here tripwire campaign, query campaign, list builder, whatever you need. You see, we can even show more. So you have so many different choices that you can choose. A lead magnet campaign, e-shop campaign. So whatever your business is, you see all the different things that you can do, and you can also do your own pages, your own sequences and stuff like that. You're like really free to go like wherever you want to go with Kartra. But I just wanted to show you here that you have all the campaigns already done for you by professional, and it's really, really awesome to have all that in place. Let me tell you, I was really starting from scratch at the beginning, and it was really nice to have these tools all put together, because you don't know where to start, you don't know what things you do wrong, so you better have like good tools that are already in place for you in order to really have a good start in your online business. So if you're interested, I can give you a free 14 days trial in Kartra. So you're gonna have a full 2 weeks to try that around and see if it's a good fit for you. And if it's not a good fit, then it's not a problem. But at least you're gonna try it. And as I tell you, I was really looking into a tool that was gonna be really easy to use for me. I needed a drag and drop, and now I don't even have to drag and drop. It's all made for me. The texts are done. You have all the funnels, and it's really, really awesome. So you can click on the link below. You're going to see really exactly where to click, and you can try that. I really encourage you to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get some notifications when I post new stuff. So my channel is all about having a great mindset, following your dreams, and building your online business. So take care, guys, and have a really awesome day.